Have you ever tried to run this LED strip around the corner like this one right here, or to just bend it in 90 degrees like this, but only to find that this part of your LED strip flickers, or even worse, the freaking thing breaks right here in half? In this video I will show you the best way to make a solid 90-degree joint, and this is the method that professional electricians used for a clean, reliable connections. And to be honest, like you see, it flickers. I'm not a professional electrician, as you can see. I'm a rookie handyman and mechanical engineer, but over the years I have played with these LED strips for so many times, and this is the best way that I know of making that 90-degree joint. So let's do it together. The first thing is to understand where to cut your LED strip. You have these marks right here, but I would suggest to not cut right on the line, but a little bit to the right, just to leave this copper part as much exposed as possible, because we will use this part right here to attach wires on it, so we need this copper part to be as big as possible. And then the same thing on the other part of LED strip, just leave that copper part as big as possible, like that. Beautiful. The first thing that we have to do is to fix these two LED strips somehow to this surface, and guess what? I'm just gonna use this coffee jug, minus to minus and plus to plus. That's very important to connect it together. And now let's just place a little solder blob right here on this copper part. And keep in mind that I am not a professional electrician, I am just a rookie handyman, but this one looks very nicely. Not a perfect work, but it will do. Now we will just connect one wire to one side, and we will connect the black wire to the other side. Alright, soldering is definitely not my strong suit, and I need to practice it a little bit more, but as you can see, we were able to make a perfect L-shaped angle. And the benefit of having these wires right here is that you can bend it any way you like. As you can see right here, you have enough space so that you can take this LED strip right here and move it as close as you want to this one LED strip right there, so you can have a perfectly shaped L angle right there. And then with these wires, when you put everything in a guide, it's pretty easy to hide these wires and to bend them any way you like it. It just takes a little bit of practice to get everything in order, but as you can see, you don't have to bend or tilt your LED strip. You can connect it easily like this. Now, if you want to see how to connect these LED strips using both straight connector or L-shaped connector, then I highly recommend checking out this video right here. It has more than 1 million views, so I have probably done something right in that video. So make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next one.